Good morning, friends. In this video, we are going to draw the projection of a hexagonal pyramid, which is touching the vertical plane in front of you by one of its slant edges. Friends, you know it has got six slant edges equal to the number of sides of the base. And here, friends, you can see a hexagonal pyramid of side of base 30 mm and height 65 mm rests on one of its slant edges on VP. So friends, whenever any of the pyramids has to rest on one of the slant edges or one of the corners of the base, there are six corners. So one of that corner should come to the right side of the observer. Suppose if you are all observers, to your right side, that particular corner should come. So friends, I am going to place the hexagonal pyramid on HP such that one of the corners of the base is to your right side, and very obviously on the left hand also you will have one more corner on the left side. So friends, I place the lamina like this on HP and obtain the top view of this, which is going to be a regular hexagon of 30 millimeters side as I have drawn here, and I have named it as A, B, C, D, E, F. And I have joined the center O, the vertex, to all the corners. So the line joining the vertex to the corner is a slant edge. So we got OA, OB, OC, OD like that. We have got six slant edges connecting the vertex of the solid to the base. And friends, we have got the front view drawn to a height of 65. The top view is a regular hexagon with the center joined to all the corners. Now friends, the last line here, that is O dash C dash, represents one of the slant edges. I'll write down here, it is a slant edge. Now friends, before we make this pyramid to touch VP by one of these slanted, you have to make it vertical. So friends, what I do, if I call this figure as figure number 1, I am going to reproduce the same figure as figure number 2 with slant edge becoming perpendicular to VP. Same figure is being redrawn with that slant edge O dash being perpendicular to HP. O dash C dash. We call this as C dash. And friends, here I am going to reproduce this figure, and here I will just show you this O dash, this is F dash, and this length O dash C dash is equal to the length here, that is F dash C dash is equal to this. Then locate AE at this distance on this. This is going to be AE and this is going to be point D and B, B dash D dash. So I will call it as B dash D dash, and this point is A dash E dash, A dash E dash. Friends, I am going to join this to the vertex by straight line. This is by straight line. Remember friends, this figure number 1 is exactly identical to figure number 2, excepting that it is drawn with O dash C dash perpendicular to HP. So I'll just mark it here. Slant edge, perpendicular to HP. You can see this is OC is perpendicular to HP. Friends, let us obtain the corresponding the top view for this. Friends, have placed like this, and now what happens, you will be able to see the complete base of the solid and also the vertex along with some slant edges. So only the thing is, this figure FC gets shortened. So I will draw vertical lines through all these one by one and see how to obtain this figure. Friends, you can see here, on this line you should have A. Let's start from the point A. Vertical line from A dash horizontal line from this A. The point where those two intersect is the point A here. Then B, vertical line from B, the horizontal line from here, that is B, they meet here. So we have got A and B. On this line you get C and F, friends. Draw a horizontal line through that. So vertical from C, horizontal from C, you get the point C. Similarly on this you get the point F. This F is here. I'll just mark F here. Then A is over E on this line. So on this you are going to get two more points. So friends, you have got A, B, C. This is point D. This is E. This point is F. Friends, so we have got all the six corners of the base of the pyramid. We will join these by straight line. So this I have joined. This is for the base we are completing now. And friend, this is the base, and this is O1 dash, the center of the base, and this is O1 for the center of the base. Friends, now when you look from the top, this O1C will be on the same line. You will get this O here itself. And now I have to join O to all the corners, like O to E. O to D already joined. O to E, and I should join O to A, and O to C I should join. Friends, this is how the top view of the pyramid looks. So this is the projection, friends. Now friends, you can see here, the object is resting on C. C is one of the corners. C is one of the corners of the base, and that OC, the line connecting C to the vertex, is vertical. I have written here, that is perpendicular, means perpendicular to HP. And friends, what is required in the question is that this OC should be on the slanted touching XY line, okay, the corner. This slanted is normal to HP, that is completed. Draw its projections, friends. Finally, this OC should be here. So I am going to redraw this figure number 3 with rotation through 90 degrees, so that this OC will lie here. So friends, I am going to reproduce this figure. Friends, this figure, OC is here now, O comma C. And friends, the last point is C here. And on the left side you have got D and E. So this is A, B, C. This is AB. AD should be there. BD should be there. So friends, if you just rotate like this is D and E will be on that parallel to that OC. Parallel to OC. That corner is C. Then next you get E and EA. I'll just change it. This is correct. The last line C. To the right of that is A. This is point B. This is C. This is D, and this point is E, friends. I will draw that. So I have to join this O to all these. So I am going to join O to E, O to A, O to B already joined, and O to C I am going to join. Friends, this figure number 4 is the photocopy of figure number 3, and all the dimensions of this are exactly equal to dimensions of figure 3. Now friends, this figure will give you the final top view of the pyramid. And here you can observe, friends, you have got point O comma C. That is, the slant edge is now perpendicular to HP. That is why it is seen as a line here. Now friends, we will obtain the corresponding front view for this position of the solid. Now points, we can just project these lines one by one. On this you should have D and E. D and E will be on this. On this you are going to have A and B. Exactly in the center you are going to have the vertex and the other line. Now friends, let us see. On this D and E you should like A and B. Let us start from the point A. So point A is here friends. Where is point A? It is here, A. A horizontal line through a vertical line through A. This will give you, the intersection will give you the point A dash. Similarly, friends, B, horizontal line from B dash, vertical line from B, the point of intersection will give you this point B dash. So this is A dash, B dash over. On this you get D and D, and here from C will obtain. Vertical from C, horizontal from this C, they meet at this point. So this is point C dash, this point. That is, this point is C dash. And we have got A, B, C. So this will be automatically D, and this point is E, and F will be here, and this point is going to be the point F. So friends, when you hold the pyramid on the slant edge like this with OC perpendicular, you will be able to see the complete base of the solid. So friends, I am going to write down the complete base, that is, this point is F dash, this is E and D. So I am going to join A to F, A to B, then this point, D to C, D to E, finally this point. This is the base of the solid, and exactly in the center you will get O1 dash. Finally friends, you got O dash here, vertical line from here, horizontal line from O dash. The point of intersection of these two will give you O dash, the final vertex position. So friends, we have to join all these points to the corners. So I am going to join the vertex O to E, vertex O to D. So I have joined O to E, O to D. And friends, remember here, I have to join O to C. That I will show you practically. This OC, friends, say this is OC. That OC is on VP, and hence it is seen as a point in the top view. And this slant edge, say this slant edge which is on VP is not visible to the observer, and hence I have to show this by a dotted line, that is the line O dash, C dash. And friends, when I am joining the vertex to D and vertex to B, you find that this line is intersecting the line EF, and this line is intersecting FA. So friends, you should know that whenever two lines intersect in a solid, if one of them is already a full line or a visible line, the other has to be necessarily a dotted line, an invisible line. Here, when I am joining O to D, it is intersecting here. We know very well this is a visible line, and hence this has to be a dotted line. Likewise, friends, O to B should also be a dotted line. Friends, this is how the pyramid looks in the front view, and we have completed the complete projection of the hexagonal pyramid resting on slant edge OC on VP, and hence it is seen as OC in the top view. And friends, this gives you the complete projections of the solid. Friends, go through the complete video. If you like this video, share with all your friends. So this sharing will help you to learn more and more. Share the knowledge. you don't lose anything out of it. Thank you, friends, for watching my YouTube video. Have a blessed day.